gals, it's Sweet Project Cars with Sweet Sunday Reviews. This is when we do our reviews, and it's a different kind of review. It's a review on the tool we've already tested, and we're bringing it to you, so you know if we're sharing it with you, it is already good to go. Now, for you and your car and or truck and or motorcycle, the one tool that we use a lot here is a very high quality, cheap, affordable leaf blower. And the reason that we have that is because we can take and blow the dust off a vehicle, especially black vehicles. We can blow the dust off of it and get our customers to do the same thing. Black is really tough. You can wash a black vehicle and within a few minutes sometimes it's got dust all over it. And a leaf blower is a really safe way to get the dust off and keep your car looking great. And that's what we do, okay? And as far as blowing dust off your dash, that is a very powerful way to keep your dash and your seats and interior dust-free and clean, and it helps extend time for you so that you're not constantly dusting things off and scratching the lenses on your gauges or scratching your paint. The leaf blower that we're going to share with you right now in this review is affordable. It does the job. The battery lasts a very long time, and it is a very powerful little unit. And you can blow leaves with it too. But the biggest thing is when you wash your car, there's no faster way to dry it off, especially in the sunshine, than with a good quality leaf blower that pumps a lot of air. So let me share with you real quick what we're doing. Alright, this is the rig right here, and it's very simple to use. It has multiple settings for speeds. And here I can slow it down, speed it up. I can blow up and dust right off. And for those of you washing your vehicles, as I said, what's really cool is you don't get the water spots. You can get into tight areas, especially bike owners can get down in here in these rims where it's hard to get the water out. So for motorcycle owners, very powerful little tool right there. And we're sharing this one with you because it's cheap, affordable, which is the same word, and it gets the job done for you in quick time. So say for instance, and you can blow leaves. Let's check that out. And for you big rig owners that have big wheels and truck drivers and truck owners, your wheels are really tough to dry off. So with a cheap, decent leaf blower, you can get that done. Blows all the water right off, no water spots. Now for this vehicle right here, tough wheels to do. And I'll share that with you here in a split second. I'll wet it down and share it with you. But let's do the interior. I'll show you how quickly you can do the interior. What we do here at Sweet Project Cars is we'll actually open all the doors. Now for blowing out your back window, very powerful tool. You know how bugs and stuff get in the back? Very powerful. Now let's look at the engine bay. Leaves up and under your hood. Alright, so you know it works. Your grill, very tough to dry. Alright, so the key comes down to what leaf blower should you buy? get a cheap one, get one that works, got a battery. This one here that we're sharing, Julio, tell everybody where this can be found.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Now the key issue behind this is that the leaf blower, you don't need to spend a lot of money on it. This one here, the battery lasts longer than any of them that we've ever used, and that's why we're sharing it with you, and it's powerful. So let me share with you what it does with the water. Let's spray some water on these wheels and see how fast it takes it off. Completely dry. That quick.